Active stocks, we have CETX, PAVS, BDRX, and KYMR. CETX has a low float and I think also a high short interest, but yeah, you can see it's up 256.03%. This is Monday, the 8th of December 2025. Intraday high $20.56. Let's see what we have. Average volume is 238. It is more than you do the maths. You do the maths. I'm a stock already myself. 10 100x, yeah, 100x, more than 100x, more than 100x, more than 100x, yeah. Quite a high volatile stock as well, not optionable. I think it was trending last. No, it wasn't trending. No, it wasn't. It didn't run up any huge gain last week. Yeah, it was. But I know as of last Friday, it's this acquisition. Its acquisition of Invocon. Invocon was it may have been trending. It's a low float stock. Surely it is a low float stock. Let's see what we have here. If they're going to say anything about it. Let's see. Yeah, nothing here. What about CETX? Nothing here. Okay, yeah, we have stock up more than 300% pre-bell. Okay, nothing here. But the news might come out. So yeah, it has actually contracted somewhat. The algos are saying that it might actually maintain this strength going all the way towards the 17th of December. That's a long time to come. The odds of that happening is not there. The 40-period moving average is rising to catch any pullback. Momentum is expected to keep decaying and not expected to pick up in the coming days. Projections are saying 3.32. Let's see what we have here. Intraday high that it printed. Let's see. Intraday high here 20.56. What we can do is just glance at its underlying trend is severely bearish. I think that will also be the case on its daily chart. Yeah, underlying trend severely bearish. Yeah, so there's ample room to the upside. Ample room. There's 53.64, 47.68, 38.02. You think about it, it can print it. You think about it, can print it. In the interim, it can. I mean, even if not in future, it can print it. Yeah, we could see. We've seen already. But we just want to see these projections where, as of the 22nd of June, but we want to see, based on what is going on right now, what the algos have calculated in the light of this intraday high of 20.56. Let's see what we have here. 8.41, 12.35, 14.85, yeah, 20.63. Just revalidating that. 20.63. Yeah, let's see what we have. We have 17.15, 24.67, 28.47, 30.82. Yeah. So these are a lot fresher projections for CETX. PAVS up 64% roughly. Okay. Penny stock. I think that's the draw. I think. Okay, you can see volume 507 million, more than 10x its average volume. You can see volatility 934.55%. Unbelievable stuff. Yeah. Paranova's entertainment shares are trading half after the company reported year-over-year increase in yeah. We haven't. It's a penny stock, but I don't think it's. We don't have any data on its low float, but on its float. We don't have any data on its float. PAVS. Yeah. Okay. The algos are saying that it might maintain the strength up till tomorrow's the close of tomorrow's trading session. So all in all, it's just saying that a consolidation is expected going all the way towards the 12th of December, but from then it might actually decline and might attempt to, okay, volatility is expected to pick up from from the 16th of December. That's a long time to come. That will be next week. So here projections are currently saying 0.8842, 0.7740, 1.06, 1.24. Okay, currently at 0.06. It's tempting to jump in now, but just be really careful about the stock. Just be careful, really careful. Yeah, just be careful. Yeah, caution is warranted. Even though it's a penny stock, it's attractive, you know, but you can still lose money regardless. PAVS. BDRX up 56.94%, intraday high 14.93. Let's see what we have. Okay, yeah, this is this will be more than 40x. Yeah, more than 40x the volume. I don't think we're going to find any news here. Okay, well, I've not been checking the BDRX. I've not been checking yeah, no fresh news here. But there might be some news somewhere. Okay, so it has actually, even though it is up 57.94, has actually given up some of the gains and ran up. So the algos are saying, so the extrapolation is saying that the contraction that is currently in effect might remain in place up till Wednesday the 10th of December. Then after that it might attempt to resume the uptrend. 40 period moving average is rising to catch any pullback, and yeah, momentum is currently decaying and might pick up again from Wednesday the 10th. Projections are saying 5.92 to the downside. Let's see what we have. 14.93 fresh upper projection. We could just see what the algos have printed. 14 with regard to that. Yeah, 14.93. Let's see what we have. 9.56, 12.92. Let's see, 14.99, 18.21, 16.52, 13.78. Yeah, the algos have they've reacted to that intraday high $14 and have gone on to print highs of around $18 in terms of projections. But you know, this is a lot of gain, you know, so for this stock, surely, and indeed all of them, not the best time to jump in. Yeah. KYMR up 32.39%, intraday high $30.93. Okay, okay, just building up volume. It's optionable. Yeah, December 19th series. Let's see what we have. Okay. KYMR. Okay, yeah. Underlying trend on this 4-hour chart strongly bullish. So high prices expected to remain in place up till the 10th, Wednesday the 10th, midday. Then after that, as a matter of fact, it's just expected to go into a consolidation from now on. A consolidation with I would say a bullish bias from Monday the 15th. Yeah. The 40 period moving average is rising to catch any pullback. Yeah. So this 40 period moving average is rising to contract any further expansion, that is, because you can see here the stock is not it's not coming down, it's not contracting, but the 40 period moving average is also rising to do that, to provide that contraction. So it's an accumulative contraction that is probably building up. So it's contracting with the bias to the upside. Let's see what we have here. Also, attempting to, it does not mean that that's what's going to happen. Okay, for projections are saying 72.01. It's an upper projection, 72.01. We have 90.93 already. Let's just quickly, before we have a look at the 1 minute chart to see what the algo's printed, let's see what we have for the daily chart. Yeah, strongly bullish here. Okay, but I think this is wrong now. Yeah, this is wrong. Yeah, because it has done the reverse. Let's see the 1 minute chart to see if what the algos, the extrapolations here are saying in the light of this 90.93 projection. Yeah, we have 104.30, 111.56, 116.04. Yeah. It doesn't mean it's going to print them, but it's just a projection it has come up with. So one thing we could equally do, let's on this 1 minute chart, we could also have a look and see what the algos are saying in terms of its potential. Let's see. Market flow. No, not market flow. We need to see market greed. Let's see what we have. Yeah, in terms of prices, I don't think we're going to see anything fantastic. No, okay, just a retest of $89. Yeah, it's right. It's still around that $89. So let's just come down to the 1 hour chart to see what it has. Yeah, okay, not so fantastic. 89.93. Yeah. Okay, see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.